Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Damien from Creative Edu Academy, which is in Malaysia. Today, I'm going to ask you all, children, few questions to test your English. Let's start. What is your name and how old are you? Wow, that's a really nice name. Can you tell me about your family? Wow, that's a really nice family. Can you tell me about your house or your room, the place you sleep in? Must be very comfortable. If you're hungry, what is your favorite food? Yum, must be really delicious. And when you're at school, what is your favorite subject at school? Great, that's my favorite subject too. And after school, what do you like to do after school? Must be really exciting waiting for school to be over. What do you like to do on the weekends? Ah, that's my favorite thing to do also. Who is your best friend? Ah, best friends are amazing. What do you like to do together? Spending time with a friend is always a good time. Moving on. What did you do yesterday? Ah, I see. And last but not least, what do you want to be when you grow up? I used to want to be that too when I was a child. Anyways, everybody, that's all for today's video. I hope to catch up with you all soon in the next one. Goodbye.